What's up everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. Today we're in my basement furnace room and I'm going to show you how to soundproof your ductwork. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up too. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're in my furnace room today and I've got this cool product that I don't think many people know about. It's a butyl sound deadening mat. So I got these on Amazon. This is about half of a sheet. It weighs like a good pound, and this is only half a piece. And it's got some butyl in it, so essentially like acoustical sealant, something like that. It's a sticker, so it's tacky, and you can see I've already put some up. I actually already recorded this video, but forgot to turn the mic on. So anyway, I've got the mic on this time. I got some over here too, but what it does is it gives the ductwork a bit of weight, and it prevents the vibrations from traveling through the ductwork. So I usually cut them in pieces about yay big. It's about a quarter sheet, and you just literally just peel and stick. And places where this stuff works really well is when customers ask me to soundproof their ceiling. So I'll use a product called Roxol Safe and Sound. It's a bat product, so it's like an insulation, and you put it in your floor joists. Now that's great, it's an excellent product, but you've still got the places where your ductwork is, which is a weak point, because you've literally got about 3/4 of an inch to fill between, let's say, your strapping and the ductwork, and that's it, right? So there's not much room for any sound attenuation. So what we do is we use this sound attenuation mat, which is also used in the automotive world. So they use it between the engine bay and the cabin. I think that's the right term. So they line that wall, that divide between the engine and the inside with this stuff, and it cuts the noise, which is, you know, key in a car. You don't want to hear your engine rumbling. So the same thing, you don't want to hear the home theater upstairs. I mean, you're never going to eliminate the bass and stuff like that. But what the bass will do is it'll create vibrations. The vibration will travel through the ductwork, and it'll travel through the house, and you'll hear that rattly noise. And what this does is it prevents it. So I probably can't show you anymore because, again, I was going to do a before and after of the rattle and without the rattle. But I've got everything pretty well covered, but you're going to have to take my word for it that it makes a huge difference. So again, I apologize. I didn't turn on the audio when I originally recorded this, but you'll get the idea. This is night and day. You might get a better idea over here. There. It doesn't sound as tinny, as kind of, it doesn't vibrate as much. It just stops the sound. So anyway, this is about 50 bucks on Amazon. Once I get the, I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, it's a great product. If you're renovating your basement and you're spending the money on the soundproofing, this is a no-brainer. 50 bucks, takes 5 minutes to put in, 10 minutes to put in, and yeah, it's a great trick. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.